Hello everyone, welcome to my traditional Chinese classroom. Here we're going to learn weather today, this video. Probably next video we're going to learn seasons. Okay, let's get to the point. The first character today is 风, windy, wind. It actually means wind. 风, feng. That's the first tone, the flat tone. 风. Let's see how to write it. 一, 二, 三, 3, 4. So you probably noticed that when we write the character that has the structure of outside and inside, so we start from the outside and then we go inside. Okay, that's the order. So remember, from top down, left to right, and then outside, and then go inside. Okay, so that's first the character 风. And then we can make some phrases from what we have learned so far. For example, how to say windy, very windy, like big wind. That would be direct translation. 大风. Okay. How about the opposite one? 小风, less windy. Okay. So in Chinese we use big or small to describe the situation of wind. Okay. Oh, let's see next one. 雨,雨. So again, that's the pinyin 雨. How to write it? 一二三 So again, we start from outside, right? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, from the character we can see it really like symbol of the rain. Look at the inside, the raindrop. Okay, so from the Chinese character you can see the raindrop inside. Here we have 4 raindrop here, so that help you to use picture to memorize this character. And then to use 雨 to make some phrases. 大雨, okay, raining cats and dog, a big rain. And then we have 小雨, small rain, drizzling. Right, let's go to the next one. You can see many strokes here. 雪, 西约, 雪. It means snow. Okay, it looks a little bit complicated, but let's have a good observation. Look at the top bit, right? The top bit is exactly 雨, right? And only you plus that one. And then even that radical, it looks like this 山 we learned before is just facing left right now, okay? Or it looks like when you have the eye test. And then this is something, in China we have this eye test. What we need to look at is those things, symbols in front. So again, it's easy to understand this character. Let's write it quickly now. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 strokes. I finished writing 雪 okay, and then we have big snow, 大雪. Of course we have 小雪, little snowing days. So you probably want to pay attention here. The first stroke is a bit shorter for the aesthetic value bit, okay, and you want to make the bottom bit smaller than the top bit. Okay, alright. And then next character we have easier ones. 天, 特一安天, it means sky. Okay, 天. It doesn't mean sun. This is not good illustration. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. 4 strokes we have 天. So far we can make lots of phrases. For example, windy day, 风天. So that means windy day. Okay, and then we have 雨天, right? That means raining day. So that's this word by word translation, and it's totally makes sense. So that's the easier part of learning Mandarin. 雪天, snowing day. Okay, right. Hopefully you can catch up with those phrases, and you can make more phrases by yourself and leave it in the comment section. Okay, next one we have 云 云 Okay, 1 2 3. It's a bit quick now. 4. Right? If you follow the stroke order, you can see that exactly like what I just did. Okay, and I want to go back to explain right? 天 what is that? 人 that is 人 and we'll put another stroke that becomes 大 big. Then put another one here that becomes 天 but of course that's the wrong order of writing the Chinese character but that might help you to memorize it. Okay, we go to the last one. 电 D-E-N 电 electricity. Chinese way of saying lightning, we have the word, the character electricity in it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So again, you follow the strokes, see if I am right writing this way. And we've got to use 云 to make phrases. We have, if you learn the color, then you'd know 白云 白云 white cloud. Lightning 闪电 okay, 闪电 shi and 闪 that means lightning. Okay, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions how I make the video to make you learn Mandarin easier, just leave your comments. See you next video. Goodbye.